Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2018 annex Mitsubishi Pajero GLX. This shape ran from the 11th month 2006 to current. This vehicle sustained damage to the left hand side. This vehicle is fitted with a 4M41 4-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the right hand headlight, this vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. (18-inch factory alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, has a tidy rear bumper cover. Tow bar. Right hand tail light. 18-inch factory alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. We have the right hand rear door. Right hand front door appears to have no. Right hand guard. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel, right front. Right hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy gear stick, automatic transmission type. Media player. Factory AC climate controls. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Now the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.